Join me, let's tie this simple head wrap gele together. Very easy. I want you to focus your eye. The measurement of this hairstyle is 40-60. The shorter side is the 40, the longer side is the 60. Please, I want you to focus your eye. So just fold it. Fold it. The reason I said it's very easy, this style don't need pleat. You know that pleat is difficult for some people. Yes, how are you all doing? In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deck Beauty. So we cross. So the shorter one goes up, the longer one goes down. Focus your eye. See the way I cross. So the shorter one goes up, the longer one goes down. Is very, very firm. Okay, so I want you to focus your eye. Oh, my hand. I want you to achieve one or two things. It has been a long time since this year. It's like this is my number 5 video. I'm tired of tying gele because I observe that my followers, they are tired of gele. So this is my page. I'm just I don't know what to the niche. I want to change. I want to stop doing gele because I know that people already know how to do gele. But let me know on the comment section. So right now we twist the both sides, the shorter one and the longer one. So you merge them together at the side. We are going to use the longer one to round the shorter one. Just see that longer one, we'll use it to take it round the shorter one until you see that the material is finished. So just take it round. So we are going to create simple rose style. In case you are going to church or you are going to event, you are the type you don't like all those all those heavy style, you like simple style, or especially all those our auntie nurse. So all those NHS auntie, most people don't like, they just like simple style. You can do it by yourself. If you watch this video again and again and again, yes, then by the time you take it round, you will use one pin to secure that place. Use pin to secure that place. It's very easy. So now we are going to work on the shorter one. Remember, the shorter one is there. We use the longer one to take it. We use the longer one, take it round the shorter one. So now you just spread the shorter one, just open it and spread it, then merge it to the one we already create the rose. So that is it. Then you style it, stay in front of mirror and check, then you push it back. Yes, very simple and unique. Yes, how are you all doing? Please, if you want me to continue to be doing gele tutorial on this my page, write it on the comment section. Meanwhile, I have a lot of work I do now. We do eyelash extension, hair installation, makeup, gele, we do photo shoot, we sell makeup product, oil perfume, and many more. In case I forget, we do okuku, we do traditional bridal hair for all and for all tribe as well. So my number is there in case you need my service. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty. You will see all my service. They are there. See all this picture one and the see. So these are my handwork. Any picture you see, any gele you see, all these are my handwork. So we train people as well. Yes, all these are my handwork. Go to my Instagram, you see more there. Thank you. I'm based here in London, United Kingdom. Yes, contact me. We sell your perfume, we sell makeup products. These are all my social media. See you on my next video. I love you. Bye bye.